just added my lining to the fabric. This is what it looks like. This is the back. Okay, very simple. Towards the end of the fabric, I didn't cut the lining the same measurements like I cut the fabric. The lining wasn't cut to the same measurements as that of the fabric, and that's because when you're sewing, you're going to sew this way because you're going to sew it in. So you don't want the fabric like coming out. Okay, so it can give you that nice finished look. Okay, so when I start sewing, you're going to see why I did this. So I left 2 inches. I deducted 2 inches away from the lining. You remember that I said the length of this garment is 41 inches and I added 2 inches to make it 43 inches. But while cutting the lining, I removed the 2 inches that I added to this fabric. I removed it from the lining so that I'll be able to fold it nicely. Okay, this is for the back. Whereas for the front is a little bit complicated, but I hope you understand it. If you want me to do a separate tutorial on how to get the front, let me know in the comment section. But this is what the front looks like. Okay, this is my front fabric. Okay, and this is the lining for the front. This is the lining for the front. The lining for the front, and this is my interface. So I'm just going to go stitch this stuff together, and when I'm back, we will continue the rest of the tutorial. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm done stitching it together. This is the front lining. So this is what it looks like. This is my gum stay, just to make sure that, just to make the front really strong. That's why I placed the gum stay. So this is what my front lining looks like. Now I'm going to join them together and sew them differently. You're going to sew the lining differently, then sew the fabric differently. Okay, so this is my back. Just pay close attention. Okay, with the main fabric, and this is the front of my fabric. Okay, and this is the back. So we're going to join them together, right side facing right side. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to stitch this thing like this. I'm going to stitch it, taking this now to the sewing machine to stitch, but before that I'll do the same thing for the lining. You're going to repeat the same process for the lining. Okay, I'm going to sew them separately. This is what it looks like when pinned down. Okay, so we're going to repeat the same process for the lining because we're going to sew it separately, then join it together at the end. Now let me go do the same thing for my lining. So guys, this is the lining. I'm just going to repeat the same thing that I did to the fabric itself. Okay, so these are the sides, the front. This is my lining. This is the back. Okay, the back. So just going to repeat the same thing we did to the fabric. Right sides facing right side, like so. Facing right side. So guys, I'm going now to stitch these places like this. I'm going to stitch everywhere like this. Okay, I'm going to stitch it. This is my lining. I'm going to go stitch it round and do the same thing for my fabric. And when I'm done, I'll come show you what I did. I'm done stitching the fabric, the sides of the fabric. Okay, So I later went back to add the gum stay for the main fabric itself because I really wanted it to pop and stand really firm. So this is what it looks like after stitching it. Okay, this is the main fabric. Okay, and now I did the same for the lining. I repeated the same thing for the lining. This is the front, this is the main fabric, and this is the lining. I did the same thing. I stitched the same thing for the lining. The same thing I did to the main fabric was the same thing I did to the lining. So it's time to join them together, like so. Right sides fitting right sides. Guys, right sides facing right side. I'm going to go stitch this now with the sewing machine. I'm going to stitch this round. Okay. And when I'm back, we'll continue the rest. So guys, I'm done sewing, and this is what it looks like. Okay. This is what it looks like. This is the interface. Okay, so now it's time for sleeve. My sleeve, I'm going to take this measurement, my armhole measurement, to get my sleeve. The length of my sleeve is 12 inches. I'm going to add 1 inch to it, that's 13 inches. So I'm going to come here now and mark 13 inches. Now for my armhole, that's on my dress, the armhole length is 10. I'm going to mark 10 here. That's to get the accurate width here. 10. I'm going to get 4 inches from here. This is 4 inches. Okay. Now I'm going to connect this to this. And do something like a curve here. Okay, something like a curve over here. Now the 1 inches that I marked here, I'm going to fold it in. That's 10 inches. Sorry, this is not part of the measurements. I'm going to take off this part. This is excess, we don't need this part. So guys, I'm going to fold ½ inches at the tip. So we're going to use ½ inches here and ½ inches to join the sleeve. Okay, so now this ½ inch is gone here. Now I'm going to mark 7.5 inches, which is the circumference for the sleeve. That's the circumference for this place. Circumference is 16.5 divided by 2. That's, oh sorry, the circumference is 12.5 divided by 2. That's 6 1/4 plus 1 inch is 7 1/4. So I'm going to mark 7 1/4 right here. Okay, this is what we have. Guys, it's time to cut the peplum. Okay, now the length of my peplum is 7 inches, and now I'm going to add 8 inches to my 7 inches to give me the measurements on how to fold my fabric. Okay, you can add whatever inches you want to add to the length of your peplum. You can add 10 just to be on the safe side. You can add 8, 9, just name it. I think 10 is okay, just to be on the safe side. So this is to help you fold your fabric. Now, the length of my peplum is 7 inches. I'm going to add 8 inches to that 7 inches, and that's 15. So I'm going to fold my fabric into 15 inches. So first, you're going to fold your fabric into 4. Now this is into 2, right? You need to check the inches. So this is 15, okay? So 15 inches, like so. Now I'm going to fold into 4. Now this is into 4, okay? The first was, this is how I folded it before, like this into 2, okay? And now this is into 4. All right. From here to here is 15 inches. From here to here is 15 inches. And from here to here is 15 inches. Okay? So we don't need this part. You need to know the measurements here on your sleeve. This is my sleeve. Now the measurement here is 7.5. This is what I'm going to use to get that circle. So the sleeve measurement is 7.5. 7.5, you can just do trial and error. I keep trying until I get it. I need my pens. 7.5. I just do something like this, just a freestyle. So I just check if it's 7.5. And if it's not 7.5, I'll try another one. Like this. Check if it's 7.5. I think this is okay. I think it's okay. Okay, so we have 7.5 now. From here, see? Or let me try again. Okay. You just keep trying. I don't know how other people do theirs, but this is how I do mine. I just keep trying until I get 7.5. We have 7.5 now. Now the length I said is 7 inches. So I'm going to mark 7 inches. 7 inches from here. You see, we still have excess right here. So it's just like a waste of fabric. Or when you're cutting yours, you can just, reduce the number. Like maybe add 5 to your inches to the inches. So this is 7. See, I just wasted this fabric, which is not good. But you can avoid a mistake by just, instead of you adding 8 to your peplum, you can add to the length of your peplum, you can add maybe 5 or something. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to cut this off. This is what we have. This is the peplum, okay? So I want my peplum to have volume. I need it to have volume. So I'm going to use the whole of this for one side of the sleeve. That's what I mean is I'm going to use the whole of this for one side of the sleeve because it will give me that volume that I want. Okay, it's give me that volume that I want. So I'm going to use the whole of this. But if you don't need volume for your peplum, this is what you're going to do. You're going to cut this out and cut this out, and now you're going to have like 2. Okay, let me repeat what I just said. So this is my peplum, and I need a volume, a full rounded peplum. So I'm going to use the whole of this for my sleeve, for just one side of the sleeve, and cut another one for the other sleeve. But if you want to save your fabric, let's say you don't want to have too much volume on your peplum, you can just cut this place off, and cut this place off, and you're going to have like 2 peplum. This for the front and this for the second peplum. This is for the first sleeve and this for the other sleeve. Okay, this is my kimono jacket. Okay, this is what it looks like after sewing, after everything. This is the sleeve, this is the peplum. I did a double peplum. Okay, so this is the sleeve, this is what it looks like inside. units. This is the facing. Everything came out really nice. Everything came out really pretty. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and until I see you guys in my next tutorial, until then, peace. Bye.